Hi guys, Fonz here from GM Motorsport, Australia Speed. Today we've got one of my favourites, it's a VF Series 2. It's probably the best Holden made. It's got the LS3 and this one's got a manual. It's come together with our SR camshaft, our V3 CNC head, which you can see the polished logo just sticking out there where the power steering pulley is. So we're going to run it up in the dyno and show you if you've got one of these, it doesn't take much to actually get it going. So CNC heads, SR camshaft, Ramjet 3, famous triple step headers. We'll show you what it can do. Okay, as you can see, awesome result, 363.9 rear wheel kilowatts at 7,000. So yeah, on an LS3, that's stonking away. Awesome package. Our camshafts are, you know, they're the best out there. We use the PSI valve springs to complement that with our ramp brakes, which are stable, but they are fast. That's why they make the power under the curb. So guys, if you've got one of these hiding away, or you know, you're a shop and you want a package, we can provide that for you, and we can also do private label stuff. Give us a call, enjoy your LS3.